welcome back to our math class. Today, we are going to learn lesson 2.4, problem solving model subtraction. Okay, I will read the problem and we are going to find out what would be how to solve the problem. Okay, so first, the problem is there were 9 bugs on a rock. 7 bugs ran away. How many bugs on the rock now? Again, let me read you the problem. There were 9 bugs on a rock. 7 bugs ran away. How many bugs on the rock now? Remember, first number is 9 bugs. And the second one is the 7 bugs who ran away. Let's find out how to solve this problem using subtraction. Subtraction. Remember, subtraction is the number that we are taking away or taking apart, or the number that who runs away, enable for us to find the difference. The difference is the answer for the subtraction sentence. Okay, just hold on, just wait. Here, first we need to, what do I need to find? What do I need to find? What do we need to find? We need to find how many bugs on the rock now. Yes, enable for us to find the difference, to find the answer in subtraction, we need to find first how many bugs on the rock. Yes, let's find out how many bugs on that. The answer is, what do we need to find is how many bugs on the rock now. Okay, let's move on. What information do I need to use? Again, what information do I need to use? A while ago, I've shown you number 9. It means we need to use 9 bugs on the rock. Then, the 7 bugs that run away. The information do I need to use is the number 9 bugs on the rock, and the 7 bugs that ran away. So, how to solve our problem? First, we need to have this is what you call a bar model. This is a bar model. Remember, how many bugs do we have on the rock? Yes, we have 9 bugs on the rock. Then, we have 7 bugs that run away. Enable for us to know how many bugs on the rock now, the bugs that left on the rock, we need to what? Yes, we need 9. We need to put 9 here. Then the 7 bugs that run away. Then 7, 9 minus 7. How many is equal to 2? Very good. So here you also have to put 2 on the bar model. Again, this is the bar model. First, we need to put here the total number of bugs that on the rock, which is 9. Then we put here the bugs that run away. Enable for us to find how many bugs that left on the rock. So 9, the minus sign, minus 7 is equal to 2. With this one, you called it as difference. Minus difference. Minus difference. Okay, great. Let's try another problem. It says here you have to complete the model, bar, and the number sentence, and you need to solve. The problem is, Ali has 10 grapes. She eats 5 grapes. How many grapes does she still have? Yeah. What do we need to find? Wait, again, let's find. What do we need to find from the problem? Yes, we need to find how many grapes does she still have? Okay, and using a bar model, with like this, it's like a big rectangle, and you have to cut it into two. And how many grapes does he has? He has 10 grapes. 10, sorry. He has 10 grapes. Then Ali ate 5. So all in all, he has 10 grapes. Then he ate 5. So what information do we need to use? He has 10 grapes and she have eaten the 5 grapes. Okay. So we have 10 minus 5 is equal to how many? Or we can use, if you were not able to, if you can't, what do you call this one? You can still use the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we can cross out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many are left? The one that doesn't have an slash or an X. We can put X. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Good job. Okay, grade 1. There is another problem. Mr. Dobbs makes 8 sandwiches. He makes 1 peanut butter sandwich. The rest are cheese. How many cheese sandwiches does he make again? Mr. Dobbs makes 8 sandwiches. He makes 1 peanut butter sandwich. The rest are cheese. How many cheese sandwiches does he make? So, grade 1. What do I need to find? What do we need to find? We need to find this one. How many cheese sandwiches does he make? We need to find how many sandwiches does he make. Then, what information do I need to use? What is the information that we need to use? Mr. Dobbs make 8 sandwiches, then 1 peanut butter. Enable for us to know the answer, we need to have the bar model. Remember, how many sandwiches? He made 8 sandwiches. Then 1 peanut butter sandwiches. So what do we need to do? So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. We put here 7. Look at this. Look at number 1 and number 7. Does the peanut butter is more than 7? No, because 7, that is fewer. 7 is more than 1 and 1 is fewer. So Mr. Dobbs made a 7 sandwiches, 7 cheese sandwiches. Okay? 8 first, the total number of sandwiches, the one peanut butter sandwich, and the 7 is the cheese sandwiches that Mr. Dobbs made. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Let's try another one. Okay, grade 1. Let's try your book on page 87. Okay, let me read the problem. It says here, Tom has 6 crayons in a box. He takes 2 crayons out of the box. How many crayons are in the box now? How can you use a model to find out? Remember, the model that you will going to use is the one that I've shown you a while ago. That is what you called a bar model. Okay, what do I need to find? What do you need to find? How many crayons are in the box now? What information do you need to use? The numbers, the 6 crayons and the 2 crayons. It says here 6 crayons and 2 crayons that taken away and 6 crayons in a box. So 6 we have to put on the bar model. 6 and this one 2, the one that the crayons that takes out of the box. Okay, so 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Good job. So you have to write also here number 4. Trace this number 6, number 4 and number 2. The crayons you have to trace it in 6 and 2 as well. Okay, now let's go to the next page. Page 88. Let's try this one. It says here, read the problem, use the bar model to solve, complete the model and the number sentence. Okay, number 1, there are 10 stickers. 7 stickers are orange, the rest are brown. How many stickers are brown? So what do we need to find? We need to find how many stickers are brown. What information do you need to use? There is 10 stickers and 7 stickers are orange. We are looking for stickers that are color brown. So using the bar model, all in all, we have 10 stickers. Then 7 stickers are orange. So we need to do the number sentence. Here 10, this is the addition, no, not addition, sorry, subtraction sentence. 10 minus 7, how many? Yes, good job. So when you have 10, then you take away the 7, it became 3. Put 3 here and 3 over there. I have a question. Is it 3 more than 7? No. Yes, correct. 7 is more than 3. 3 is fewer than 7. Yeah, so 7 orange stickers are more than 3 brown stickers. Good job. So this, number 2. 8 birds were in the tree. 2 birds flew away. How many birds were left in the tree? Again, 8 birds were in the tree. 2 birds flew away. How many birds were left in the tree? Grade 1. What do we need to find? What do you need to find? Here, how many birds were left in the tree? You need to find how many birds were left in the tree. What information do we need to use? 8 birds were on the tree and 2 birds that flew away. Using the Moore model, how many birds all in all? Yes, 8. How many birds flew away? 2. Using the number sentence, 8 minus 2 is equals to how many? Yes, you have to write your answer here. 6 and 6. Is 2 more than 6? No, 2 is fewer than 6 and 6 is more than 2. Good job. On number 3, there were 5 cars. Some cars drove away. Then there was 1 car. How many cars drove away? Again, the problem is there were 5 cars. Some cars drove away. Then there was 1 car. How many cars drove away? What do we need to find? Yes, we need to find how many cars that drove away. Again, we need to find how many cars that drove away. What information do we need to use? First, how many cars? There were 5 cars. Using the bar model, we need to put here 5. 5 is the total number of cars. Then, there was 1 car and 1 car. There is 1 car here. So 5, how many cars that drove away? There is 1 car left. So 5, how do we need to, what are we going to do? 5 minus, how many? 5 car. We can use the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And only 1 car left. So we need to X this one. So 5, yes. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So 4 more car drove away. They drove away. The 4 cars drove away. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Good job. Now, can we go on page 89? Yes, we go on page 89. It says here, read the problem, use the Moore model to solve. Complete the model and the number sentence. 7 goats were in the field. 3 goats ran away. On number 4, how many goats were left in the field? Again, 7 goats were in the field. 3 goats ran away. How many goats were in the field? What do we need to find? We need to find how many goats were left in the field. Again, what do we need to find? How many goats were left in the field? Remember grade 1, the ones that always has the question mark, that is the one we need to find. What information do we need to use? You have to use this. 7 goats were in the field and 3 goats ran away. Using the bar model, how many goats do we have? Yes, overall we have 7 goats. Then 3 goats ran away. In able to solve the problem, in able to find how many goats were left in the field, we need to use the number sentence or the subtraction sentence. 7 minus 3 is equal to how many? When you have 7, then you have to remove 3. How many left? Yes, 4 left. Yes, good job. 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 goats were left in the field. Good job. Now this one, number 5. There are 8 sleds. Some sleds slide down the hill. Then there are 4 sleds. How many sleds slide down the hill? Again, there are 8 sleds. Some sleds slide down the hill. Then there are 4 sleds. How many sleds slide down the hill? So what do you need to find? You need to find how many sleds slide down the hill. You need to find how many sleds slide down the hill. What information do you need to use? The 8 sleds and 4 sleds. So all in all, we have 8 sleds. Then there are 4 sleds. So using the number sentence, 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Good job. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Very good. On number 6, there are 10 buttons. 3 buttons are small. The rest are big. How many buttons are big? Again, there are 10 buttons. 3 buttons are small. The rest are big. How many buttons are big? What information do I know? What do we need to find? We need to find how many buttons are big. We need to find how many buttons are big. What information do we need to use? We have 10 buttons and 3 buttons are small. So, how many buttons do we have? We have 10. How many small buttons we have? 3. We are looking for how many buttons are big. So, 10 minus 3 is equal to? Good job, is equal to 7. Yes, 7. So, 7 buttons are big. Good job. Now, on the next page, here, on page 90, we are on page 90. There were 8 spiders in the grass. Some spiders crawled away. Then there were 3 spiders. How many spiders crawled away? You need to complete the number sentence. Again, there were 8 spiders in the grass. Some spiders crawled away. Then there were 3 spiders. How many spiders crawled away? You need to complete the number sentence. What do we need to find? We need to find how many spiders crawled away. Again, we need to find how many spiders crawled away. What information do you need to use? 8 spiders in the grass, then 3 spiders. Okay, we need to do this. So, first, we need to put how many spiders we have? 8 minus how many? Remember, we have 3. 8 first. If we can do it, we can model. We can use the circle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because we have 3 here, the spider here. 3. There were 3 spiders. So it means we are looking how many spiders that crawled away. We can put here equal sign. So 3, we need to put 3 here because it was taken, it was the remaining spiders. So how many circles that doesn't have X? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 minus 5, that is the spider that crawls away, is equals to 3. So you need to find 5 spider here. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Or you can use 8 minus 3 so you can find the difference here. So you can find the you can find the number here that we are looking for, the spiders that crawled away. Good job. Now this one, on here, on number 9, complete the model and the number sentence. There are 7 toy rockets. 4 toy rockets are red. The rest are black. How many toy rockets are black? Again, There are 7 toy rockets. 4 toy rockets are red. The rest are black. How many toy rockets are black? What do you need to find? How many toy rockets are black? The one with a question mark. That is the one that you always need to find. The one with the question mark. How many toy rockets are black? What information do you need to use? The numbers that you will be seeing. 7 toy rockets and 4 toy rockets are red. So all in all, we have 7 toy, right? 7 toy. Then 4 toy rockets are red. So 7 minus 4 is equal to, good job, 3. Yes, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 3 toy rockets. We need to put here 3. Is 4 more than 3? Yes, because 3 is fewer than 4. So grade 1, your homework will be on page 91 and 92. Okay? Study harder. See you. Bye-bye.